cars in this middle lane could come round, but they could zip in there. If they go in there, that sometimes leaves you an opportunity to move. Doesn't look as though many of them go in there, so creep forward. Is that one stopping? Can we go? Can we go after the white one? Good. Off we go and in. Good. I want you in front of the lorry, not next to it. Look far. In front of the lorry. Good. Better, Zach. Better. Nice job. And look where the lorry went. Can we clear? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Now we can.
Yeah.
Do you understand? That was boss all round. Okay? Very well listened to and very well sort of like put into practice. Look where the lorry is as well. So what was Dad saying about I want you past the lorry? Good, well done for fixing your feet. Yeah, what was I saying about getting past the lorry for, do you think? Yeah, I sort of had a little idea that he was going to be like that, but remember what we just talked about previously about not being in someone's blind spot area. Change your speed and adjust your speed to manage that wherever possible. Always be ready to give way, but always be ready to give it a little burst like we did and get clear of a situation, alright? Nice job. It's up to you whether you want to let someone out. Looks as though they are.